Hello friends, today we will discuss about mitral regurgitation. Before discuss, one of the viewer of our YouTube channel, Dr. Sana Sheikh from Motiwala Homeopathic Medical College, Nasik, has been selected as a national pride and she will be honored at Delhi. So I will like to congratulate her and her parents. She is an inspiration for the upcoming girls of our society. So proud of you. So friend, mitral valve regurgitations, also called mitral regurgitation, mitral insufficiency or mitral incompetency is a condition in which our heart's mitral valve does not close tightly, allowing blood to flow backward in your heart. If the mitral valve regurgitation is significant, blood can't move through your heart or to the rest of your as insufficiently, making you feel tight as a breath. Causes and etiology. Friends, our heart have four walls that keep blood flowing the current disease. The possible causes of mitral valve prolapse, that's two section. First in chronic or acute. In chronic, rheumatic heart disease, rupture of cardiac tendon, mitral valve prolapse, infective endocarditis, mitral valve calcification. In acute, mitral regurgitation, infective endocarditis, rupture of papillary mucus, chest trauma, acute rheumatic fever. Symptoms. Some people with mitral valve disease might not experience symptoms for many years. Signs and symptoms of mitral valve regurgitation depends on its severity and how quickly the conditions develop. Maybe symptoms palpitations, fatigability, breathlessness, peripheral edema, raised JVP, that means jugular venous pressure. Signs in mitral regurgitation will be atrial fibrillations, apex beat or shifted, pansystolic murmur, soft S1 and apical S3, crepitations. In mitral regurgitation will be risk factors. Several factors can increase risk of mitral valve regurgitation, including a history of mitral valve prolapse or mitral valve stenosis, heart attack, heart disease, use of certain medications, people who take drugs containing ergotamine, infections such as endocarditis or rheumatic fever. Age also risk factor. In risk factor, age will be middle age. In investigation of mitral regurgitations, doctor will ask about patients to medical history and family history of heart disease. After performing physical examination, that includes listening of patient's heart with stethoscope, the doctor will be decide which tests are needed to make a diagnosis. In mitral regurgitations, ECG, ECG, in ECG, LV hypertrophy, left ventricle hypertrophy and atrial fibrillations will be fine. Chest radiograph, in chest radiograph, LA and LV enlargement will be fine. Doppler echocardiogram, cardiac catheterization. In management, mitral valve regurgitation treatment depends on how severe patient conditions. Mitral regurgitation of moderate severe, it can be treated with diuretics and vasodilators. Treatment of heart failure, salt restrictions, digoxin, diuretics, AC inhibitors, vasodilators. Treatment of atrial fibrillation, digoxin, diuretics, AC inhibitor, vasodilator. These are acute. And for acute mitral regurgitation, nitrates and diuretics are reduced filling presents. Atrial valvoplasty, or mitral angioplasty. That's are surgery related. Transcatheter mitral valve clip. So thanks friends for watching this clip.